The meaning of receiving this empowerment is you'll receive special blessings of Buddha Avalokiteshvara. These special blessings will cause your Buddha nature to awaken and function. So according to Buddha's teachings on Tantra, our Buddha nature is our very subtle body and very subtle mind. These are also called continually residing body and continuously residing mind. So since beginningless time, our Buddha nature has been sleeping, we could say. And only through receiving special blessings of Buddha does our Buddha nature awaken and begin to function. When this happens, we can attain enlightenment swiftly and easily in one short life. So whenever our very subtle body and mind manifest and function through the power of meditation, our Buddha nature awakens. So we can learn more about this in our precious Kadampa books, such as Part 2 of Modern Buddhism and our other precious tantric books. So the function of this empowerment is to awaken our Buddha nature so that our very subtle body, very subtle mind, we begin to learn that our aim is to manifest these in meditation. What are the benefits of receiving this empowerment? So the benefits of receiving this empowerment are immeasurable. So that means they can't be measured. They can't be measured. So I can say a few short things, but we should know, it's so important, we know that the benefits of receiving an empowerment such as this are immeasurable. So through receiving Avalokiteshvara's special blessings, we will experience inner peace. Eventually we will experience inner peace all the time. And we will be happy all the time. So this is the fulfillment of our deepest wish. Through receiving the special blessings of Avalokiteshvara, we will make progress quickly on the spiritual path. We will make progress easily through his powerful blessings. In particular, through receiving Avalokiteshvara's special blessings, we will gain ability, special ability, to control our anger, our uncontrolled desire or attachment, and especially our self-grasping ignorance from which all delusions come. So we'll be able to control our delusions. If we learn to control our delusions, we have no problems. We have solved all our human problems and are able to lead others to be able to solve theirs.